Okay, hello friends. Now let us take one more problem on this orthogonal spheres. So this kind of problem they usually ask in the exam. See, the problem is like this. Find the equation of a sphere. So it is asked to find the equation of a sphere that passes through the circle. Okay, so circle is given. Okay, circle is given. See how it is given. It is given as some sphere and a intersecting plane. Okay, so that's a combination. So circle is given, our sphere is passing through this circle and intersects this new sphere orthogonally. Okay, so we need to use all this information to find the equation of a sphere. Okay, so fine. So we say that so solution, I say since the required sphere is passing through circle s equal to 0 comma u equal to 0. Okay, what is s and u? S and u are this is s and this is u. Okay, where I say where s is x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 equal to 0. See, I have taken this one to this side, and u is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so what is the equation of that sphere? Then the equation of sphere is s plus lambda u equal to 0. Right? So what is that equation? Let me write that x square plus y square plus z square minus 1, this is s part, plus lambda times u part, 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Now we have obtained our sphere actually. Only thing is that this lambda needs to be calculated. Okay. Now to calculate this lambda, we will use this information. What is the information? That this sphere and this sphere, they are intersecting each other orthogonally. Okay, so they must satisfy the condition of orthogonality, right? So we will go with that. Fine. So here, what is your u1? u1 is what? 2 lambda divided by 2, so it's lambda. v1 is 3 lambda divided by 2, and w1 is 4 lambda divided by 2, so it's 2 lambda, and d1 is equal to minus 5 lambda. Right? Now this is a given sphere, right? It's given in the problem. So consider, I say, sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 3 into bracket x minus y plus z minus 56 equal to 0. Okay, can you tell me what is u2? So u2 will be what? 3x by 2, so 3 by 2. v2 is minus 3 by 2. w2 is 3 by 2 again, and d2 is equal to minus 56. Okay, now see that this sphere and this sphere, okay, this one and this one, they are intersecting each other orthogonally, so they must satisfy the condition of orthogonality. Now that is a way to calculate the lambda value. Okay. So we say that therefore, by condition of orthogonality, we have what is that condition? 2 times, okay, u1 into u2. So u1 is this, u2 is this, so 3 lambda by 2 plus v1 into v2. So Shall I write this as minus 9 lambda by 4? See, this into this. Okay, then 2 lambda into 3 lambda, 3 by 2. So it is 3 lambda. 2 get cancelled. We'll get 3 lambda. Okay, is equal to d1 plus d2. So minus 5 lambda minus 56. d1 plus d2. Okay, so let's simplify this and we'll get the value of lambda now. Okay, so fine. So I'll multiply with 2 now. So it is 3 lambda minus 9 by 2 lambda plus 6 lambda is equal to minus 5 lambda minus 56. Okay, so if I take all lambdas together on one side, what I'll get is 14 lambda minus 9 by 2 lambda is equal to 56. Okay, so it is 28 minus 9, this is 19 lambda is equal to 128. Is it correct? This calculation. Four is okay. I think d1's value we have not correctly taken. Minus 5 lambda minus 1. Just make this correction. Minus 5 lambda minus 1. So this minus 1 is there. So this minus 1 is there. Yeah. So this is minus 57. Right. So this will be 114. Okay, this is 114 minus. So lambda is equal to 114. So lambda is equal to minus 6. So we have obtained lambda, and now that gives us the required equation. So we'll put that lambda over here, and we'll get our final answer. So finally the equation of sphere is, therefore equation of sphere is x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 minus 12x. So this lambda I am putting as minus 6 minus 18y minus 24z and minus plus 30 equal to 0. Okay, so if we simplify, we will write this simply as x square plus y square plus z square minus 12x minus 18y minus 24z plus 29 equal to 0. So this is the final answer. Okay, see how we have used that information that the two spheres are intersecting each other orthogonally, okay, to get this lambda value, and we have calculated lambda from the condition of orthogonality. Once that lambda is obtained, you can submit it, put it in the equation and simplify. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Try to solve some more problems from the exercise. Okay, fine, thank you.